Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you camera pro mode on the Samsung Galaxy F34. So first, you have to open the camera, go to the more modes and of course open the pro mode. And right here we can find a lot of parameters. We can start from this side. First we can find ISO level. Next we can find shutter speed. We can also adjust these parameters automatically and manually by tapping right here. We've got the exposure compensation. Right here we can also find the focus range. And the last option is the white balance. When you go right here, you can find other parameters. That's basically the saturation, shadows, highlights, and the last is the contrast. Right here we can change the matrix metering. Right here we can find aspect ratio of the camera, shutter delay, and the flashlight. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.